Hey everyone, and welcome back to our series on baby's first kits, and this time round we are focusing on baby's first essential medical kit. Now these are all the must-haves that should be a part of the kit. First up, of course, is the thermometer, which is an integral part of the kit. Next up is the nasal aspirator, which comes really handy when baby has a stuffy nose. But remember to use it with care and only when recommended by the paediatrician. The kit should also include a fever medicine, saline nasal drops, a diaper rash cream, and also colic drops. Now all these items that I have already mentioned must be bought in consultation with your pediatrician, and apart from these you also need a few other things such as sterile gauze, cotton, mosquito repellent patches, a medicine dropper, and also a sterile pee or poop collection container. And that concludes baby's first essential medical kit. You can take a look at the details of this list below this video and also at the end of it. Also, if you would like us to put together any other essential lists for babies, please do leave us a comment. Do go ahead and like, share or subscribe to our videos if you would like to hear more from us. Bye bye for now and see you next time.